Hi guys, just a quick video to show. I just got this for YouTube for presented to a Eco design for passing 147 subscribers. What do you mean I lost a subscriber? Oh, and it's fake too? Oh, yeah, I kind of made it. You want to see how?
You didn't say much, but I heard you still, in the way you fix things, in the silent will. You were the hammer, the rope, the guide, the steady breath I kept by my side. You built your world with calloused hands, not with words but quiet stands. You didn't speak of hurt or pride. You just showed up and stayed by my side. And now there's no more morning coffee steam, no quiet laugh behind the scene. The tools are hanging in their place, but the hands are gone and so's your face. I miss the way you held the world, without a shout, without a swirl. I'd give back time, I'd trade my own, just to call you, just to come home. You taught me how to tie a knot, how to fix a thing, how to give it thought. But I never learned how to let you go. And I ache in ways you'll never know. I search for you in every tree, in oiled wood and harmony, in quiet men who speak so small, in sturdy hands that hold it all. And now there's no more morning coffee steam, no quiet laugh behind the scene. The tools are hanging in their place, but the hands are gone and so's your face. I miss the way you held the world, without a shout, without a swirl. I'd give back time, I'd trade my own, just to call you, just to come home. There are no words for men like you, who speak in nails and sky and glue. But I will try, I'll sing it true. I miss you, Dad, I still need you. She carved a line through restless land, unshaken by what others planned. She wore her silence like a thread, and stitched the truth in what she said. The crowd would sway, but she would lean toward corners others left unseen. No banners raised, no grandstand, just compass steady in her hand. She taught me pride without a crowd, to craft my name, to carve it loud, to leave a mark, not seek applause, to choose the harder road because easy ways will never stay. They crack and crumble in a day. But what you build with steady hands will stand in storms you never planned. You showed me how to stand alone, to build a voice, to build a home, to walk the fire, to bear the cost, to hold my line when others lost. You are the quiet burning thread, the ink I use, the path I tread. A letter stitched from all you gave, a living flame you helped engrave. There's history in the way she stands, a hidden world behind her hands. She never told the whole of it, just let the silence gently sit. But something dark once brushed her skin and left the iron locked within. She didn't name the ghost she knew, she lit a path and walked it through. You showed me how to stand alone, to build a voice, to build a home, to walk the fire, to bear the cost, to hold my line when others lost. You are the quiet burning thread, the ink I use, the path I tread. Your legacy is mine to bring, a living flame I'll help engrave.
Born beneath a foreign crown, in fields where silence held the sound, he watched the friars rule with fear, and learned that truth was never near. A scholar's mind, a steady grace, he bore the burden of his race. And in the pages that he read, he saw a path the brave must tread. He sailed to lands of books and speech, where minds were free and voices reached. And there he wrote with sharpened flame a novel that would name the shame. No Lee made danger spoke, oh plain, of priests who lied and laws in chains. A mirror held to power's face, and every line lit up a place. They called him traitor, cast him wide to islands where the truth might hide. But still he wrote, El Filibuster, a colder flame, a warning's whisper, no call to arms, no rebel's cry, just reason dressed in question why. But power fears the thoughtful page, and turn the lock to cage the sage. They seized him with a soldier's scorn, as if his words were